Silver Lightning McQueen, one of the most boring, yet interesting variants of the character. And the reason I say that is because, he's just, a standard, Cars 1, Lightning McQueen, just like his shown here, on your right. Original 2007 one, by the way, this one right here. But, in the case of, this guy right here, he's just painted silver, and, I really respect him and like him, because of that, and of course, Cars 1 Lightning McQueen is, probably, the most iconic, variant of the character, if that's what you call him, because, the first Cars film was, probably the greatest piece of cinema ever, even better than, I don't know, The Godfather. Well, actually, I can't really say it's better than The Godfather, can I? Because I've never seen The Godfather before. But from what I've heard, The Godfather is a great film. What else is a great film? I don't know. Infinity War, Avengers. Never seen that too. Cars 3. That's a solid, film. Well, I mean, and it's controversial, but Cars 2 is also a pretty good film too. Yes, that's quite controversial, I know, but just let me have my own opinion, okay? But enough of that. Let's talk more about the car. Let's have a little closer look at him. So he's just got the bog standard, Rusty's logo on his bonnet with a medicated bumper ointment. He is rather dusty. Guess that's my fault for not dusting him. Maybe that's better. You can see the Rusty's logo better now, I hope. Medicated bumper ointment. What does that say? Rear end formula. And it's got all the same decals. All the same contingency sponsors. Nitro Age, revolting. Mood springs, gas spring, no stall, opting game, gaskets, easy idle, RPM, low torquey pistons. Is that leakless? And clutch aid. He's got his little fuel cap, up by lightning bolt, silver rims. Don't know why it's doing that. I don't think I've damaged him in any way. There's yellow rookie stripe with the Rusty's logo. Under the medicated bumper ointment, slogan. It's identical on the other side, but I don't really need to, go through that again. And he's still a pretty cool variant of the character. I still need to watch The Godfather though. Tell me what you think of the car and the film in the comments below. And on that bombshell, have a great day, folks.